Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see such an interesting and beautiful, very nice and very wonderful knitting stitch pattern. So this pattern is very cute and very amazing pattern. So you can use this pattern for ladies sweater, for gents sweater, baby sweater, for babies blanket, for ladies cardigan. You can knit this pattern for your favorite knitting items. So see what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is our front side view of the pattern and this is our back side view of the pattern. It looks beautiful on both sides. So friends, in order to make this pattern you will need to cast on multiples of 2 and 1 extra stitch, multiples of 2 and 1 extra stitch, and this is only 6 rows repeat pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. So friends, I cast on 13 stitches on my knitting needles and you cast on as many stitches as you want, and I have only one repeat here. So we slip edge stitch and purl 1 and then we knit 1 2 times and we knit 1 2 times, see, and slip 1. That's the repeat. Again knit 1 2 times and slip 1. Again knit 1 2 times, slip 1, knit 1 2 times, slip 1, knit 1 2 times, knit 1 2 times and then purl 1 and then knit 1. So friends, I have completed row 1. Now we knit row 2 and for row 2 we slip edge stitch and then we knit 1, yarn in front and slip 1. That's the repeat. Again knit 1 and slip 1. Knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1, slip 1, and now knit 1 and purl edge stitch. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we knit row 3 and for row 3 we slip edge stitch and purl 1 and we flip this loop like this and we transfer into right needle and purl 1. Again we flip the loop stitch and purl 1. We flip the loop stitch and purl 1. So we flip the loop stitch and purl one. Again flip one and purl one. Now we knit edge stitch. So friends, row 3 is complete, and now we knit row 4 on the wrong side, and for row 4 we slip edge stitch and then knit one and purl one. That's the repeat. Again knit one and purl one. Knit one, 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 purl edge stitch. So friends, row 4 is complete. Now we knit row 5 on the right side, and row 5 we slip edge stitch and then purl one, and then we knit into the hole, and then we transfer into left needle and we slip these 2 stitches to the right needle. That's the repeat. Again purl one, knit into the hole, and then we transfer into the left needle and we slip 2 stitches to the right needle. Purl one, knit to the hole, and we put the stitches to the left needle and we transfer into the right needle. Purl one, knit to the hole, and we transfer to the 2 stitches to the right needle. Purl one, knit into the hole, put into the to the left needle and transfer into the right needle. Again purl one and knit one. So this is our row 5. Now we knit row 6, and row 6 we slip edge stitch and then knit one and then knit these 2 stitches together through back loop. Knit one, knit 2 stitches together through back loop. Knit one, knit 2 stitches together through back loop. Knit one, knit 2 stitches together through back loop. Knit one, knit 2 stitches together through back loop. Knit one and purl edge stitch. So friends, you can see how I knitted row 1 to row 6. Friends, I have done only one repeat here, and you repeat this repeat pattern 1 to 6 rows over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, As you can see, this is wonderful pattern. This is very embossed pattern, very nice and very cute pattern. It looks so wonderful for all kinds of knitting items. It will be great for all kinds of knits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my new videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best in knittings. Goodbye.